In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tasks in ClickUp. Merging tasks is really useful when you realize you've created duplicates, or when two tasks are actually about the same piece of work. Instead of juggling multiple cards, you can combine them and keep everything cleaner and easier to manage. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, make sure you're landed in the right place inside ClickUp. You'll want to go to your list view. This is the view where your tasks are shown in a table-like layout, usually grouped by status or some other field. If you're currently in board, calendar, or another view, just switch over to list so you can see the checkboxes beside each task. That's where merging starts. Once you're in list view, look for the task you want to merge into another one. On the left side of that task's row, you'll see a small checkbox. Click that checkbox to select the task. As soon as you select it, you'll notice a toolbar appearing at the bottom of your screen. This bar only shows up when you have at least one task selected, and it contains all the bulk action options. Now, move your attention to that bottom toolbar. You'll see several options there, but some additional actions are hidden under a menu. Look for the option labeled More and click on it. This expands a list of advanced actions that you can perform on the selected task. From that expanded menu, choose Merge Tasks. Clicking this tells ClickUp that you want to combine the task you selected with another existing task. A new panel or window will appear, asking you to pick which task you want to merge into. Here, you'll see a list or a search field to find the task you want to merge with. Take a moment to double-check the titles so you don't accidentally merge the wrong items. Click on the task that should become the main, final version. The details from your original task will be merged into this one. After selecting the target task, you'll see a confirmation option. Click on Merge to complete the process. Keep in mind that merging is usually a significant action, so be sure you're happy with your choice before confirming. Once the merge is done, you'll have a single consolidated task with the combined information, making